Can they really do that? Unveiling Monese account closures. Ever gotten that sinking feeling when you open an app and see a message about your account being restricted? Let's face it, financial services are like fortresses. They have their rules, and breaking them can mean getting locked out. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monese, a popular digital banking option. Monese prides itself on being user-friendly and accessible, but what happens if they decide to close your account? Can they really do that, and if so, why? The power of regulation. Why Monese isn't just winging it. Monese, like any financial institution, doesn't operate in a lawless land. They're subject to regulations set by financial authorities like the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, in the UK, or the NBB, National Bank of Belgium, depending on where you live. These regulations are there to protect both you, the customer, and Monese itself from fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. Think of it this way, Monese has a responsibility to ensure their platform isn't used for shady activities. So, if they suspect something fishy is going on with your account, they have the right to take action, which could include closing it. Red flags and rule breakers, reasons why Monese might close your account. Now, Monese isn't going to pull the plug on your account for no reason. There are specific scenarios where a closure might occur. Here are some of the big ones. Mysterious money moves. Let's say your account suddenly starts showing large, unexplained deposits or transfers. Monese might flag this as suspicious activity and want to investigate further. If they can't get a clear explanation, they could close your account to prevent potential money laundering or other illegal activities. Unauthorized activity. If someone hacks into your account and starts making unauthorized transactions, Monese will likely freeze your account to protect your funds. In some cases, if they can't be sure the account is secure again, they might choose to close it altogether. Breaching the terms and conditions. Every financial service has its own set of rules, and Monese is no different. These terms and conditions outline how you can use your account. If you violate them, like using your card for illegal purchases, Monese has the right to take action, including account closure. The frustrating part, when Monese keeps mum on the reason. Here's where things can get a little sticky. Sometimes, Monese might close your account due to reasons they can't disclose. This can be frustrating for you, the customer, because you're left in the dark about why your access to your funds has been cut off. It's important to remember that there could be legal or security reasons behind their silence. So, what can you do if Monese closes your account? If you find yourself in this situation, don't panic. Here are a few steps you can take. Check your emails. Monese will usually notify you via email if your account is closed. This email might offer some insight into the reason for the closure. Contact Monese support. While they might not be able to divulge specific details, reaching out to Monese support could provide some clarification. Be polite and professional in your communication. Review the terms and conditions. Take a look at Monese terms and conditions to see if you might have unknowingly violated any rules. The bottom line, play by the rules and avoid account closure. The good news is that most of the time, account closures can be avoided. Here's how. Be transparent. When it comes to your account activity, try to be as transparent as possible. If you're expecting a large deposit, pre-notify Monese to avoid raising any red flags. Stay secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Understand the terms. Familiarize yourself with Monese terms and conditions. Knowing the rules can help you avoid any accidental breaches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.